Hey, it's Deborah Atkinson, and I'm back with another lateral kind of kinetic chain exercise. And this one is one you might not have thought about. And it might feel a little bit like, couldn't this be front or couldn't this be rear? It could, but what we're doing is opposite sides. And that's how it, again, becomes a lateral exercise. So I'm going to have you stand on one leg. And I'm going to stand on my non-dominant side. This is my dominant leg, but it's weaker than the other one. So I'm going to challenge myself first. You should do that too, okay? You're busted. All right, stand on that weaker leg. I'm going to do a single leg balance. So the other leg is just lifted off the floor. And if you're feeling a little vulnerable, put that toe down or put your hand in a chair over here. That'll work. This arm is actually going to reach up. Now I want you to be careful that we don't want to get out here because that's going to stress the shoulder. So when you lift something up and overhead, you want to keep it stacked up so that the weight is right above the joint that's lifting it, no stress to it that way. And then you're just holding with that opposite side, balance and weight training, and just holding it here. So there's no lift up and down, it's just here, all right? So it's not about fatiguing or getting to fatigue, it's about making your brain connect the dots to lateral movement and getting better at it. And that's all happening just while you're staying. And notice, it's not totally stable, right? When you're balancing, there should be minor movements. We're gonna try it on the other side. So easier for me, my right arm is gonna be my dominant arm. It's easy for it to hold it up here. My left leg, my stronger leg. And in part, that is because opposites, right? So toe down if you need a spotter, it's going to stay up and lifted if you don't. And that leg in the air can be anywhere. So it can be here, could be in front, could be out to the side. You can change that challenge. So now I'm laterally lifting, just as long as you're not falling over. And I'm training my lateral kinetic chain to pay attention. Work up to a minute if you can do it on both sides. And I'll see you on the flip side.